It's cloud illusions, I recall. I really don't know clouds at all.
So today I will be following this guy's tutorial. So let's listen what he has to say. Actually, he doesn't give you much information how he's doing this, but that's okay. I will just follow and imitate his moves. So he starts by taking this blue. It's not too light, not too dark. Also, it's not really saturated color. And he sprays corners. I will do the same. So that's how it looks when it's dried. I actually like it. I will add more details with pencil and yeah. That's the end, that's the finished result. It's much better than my previous paintings. It looks nothing like his, but I think it's good that I made it my own.